Hello everyone, this video will show you how to use SIAS software to classify by artificial sample selection method and change detection. First, classification by artificial sample selection method. From the menu bar, select the system, click the New to open the Create Skill Set Wizard dialog. Setting name and save path of the project. Click the Next to enter the initial partition dialog. We can choose the segmentation algorithm. In the operation, we choose graph-based by default. Click the Next to open the region merging dialog. We choose the default parameter settings and click the Finish to complete the project creation. For the convenience of sample selection, we need to render the image. Right-click on the image in the project. Choose the Properties to open the Property dialog, and click the Raster Render to modify the RGB synthetic brand. Set the brand 3 to red and the brand 1 to blue. After setting, click OK to render the image. From the menu bar, select Enhancement. Click the Stretch tab and choose the 2% linear stretch to stretch the image. From the menu bar, select the classification. Click the Image Classification to open Image Segmentation dialog. We can modify the parameter settings here and keep them unchanged if we do not need to. After set, click the OK to start the segmentation process. After processing, we can view the result of the segmentation. Click the Export Vector of Segmentation. The results of the slipped can be exported and saved as a vector file. After export the vector of segmentation, click the Sample selection and the sample window pop up on the right side of the software interface. Manually edit the category in the sample window and set the category name and color. 5 sample categories were set up for this operation, namely building, soil, water, vegetation, and road. After category settings are completed, we select the sample manually. After the sample selection, click the image After the sample selection, click the Image Classification to open the Object Classify Wizard dialog. Select the element we needed, and click Next to select the classification algorithm. In this operation, we choose the SVM algorithm. Other parameters can be defaulted. After setting, click the Finish to perform the classification operation. After the image classification, we can view the classification results and compare the curtain tool with the original image by Swipe tool. Change detection. From the menu bar, select the classification. Click the Change Detection to open the Change Detection dialog. Time 1 file name. Input the classification vector data of the previous phase of the detection region. Time 2 file name. The classified vector data of the first phase after input the detection region. Time 1 field. Enter the category number field. Time 2 field. Enter the category number field. Tolerance. Set thresholds. Output file name. Set the name and the path of the output file. After all the parameters are set, click OK to detection the change of the image. After the change detection, we can compare the image before and after change detection by Swipe tool. Right-click the change detection result in the project. Select the attribute to view the change of the classification, and click on any change record in the attribute table to check the change of the